Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the AI by Design TV, where creativity meets AI and where we turn everyday ideas into digital magic. And I'm your host, Teacher D. Colston. And you already know that today we're diving into something that's going to have somebody saying, wait, you made that with AI? And my answer is always, yes, honey, I sure did. So in this video, we'll be showing you how to create some really cool clip art here. I have one design in particular that I'd like to show you how to do. And there are a couple of different ways to do it. It's all about the prompt. And so first we're going to select, we're on the dashboard. And so we're going to select create design. And then you're going to come up with the two options. And we want to choose Fast AI Image Designer. Now you can create from a prompt also, but you can also go to AI design agents and you can select clip art. So let's go ahead and select clip art. So here's where, actually you don't even need a full prompt. You just need to tell it your idea and it can be in one sentence and it will give you its thought about the idea that you created. So let's say Black Girl Magic. And you can select the dimensions. I'm going to leave it at the 1024 by 24. And then you can select the number of images. I will choose 4 images and generate clip art. Now you'll notice that this doesn't take much time to do here. You've got success. Your designs will be completed shortly. I like to wait for those to, um, I don't know what you call this thing, but complete. Most often, you will need to refresh. So you'll hear me say that in any of my videos. You'll need to refresh, and I'll refresh. And here we have some clip art options for Black Girl Magic. Now, I can take one that I like. Let's say that I like this one because I do. And now I can take this prompt and I can go into either another art generator, but why would you do that? You can then take this prompt here and then create additional ones or tweak it so that you can create some other clip arts. So there you have, that's how to use the clip art generator. You've got your design prompts. You can again put them in a folder. Right now it's in the default folder. And then it tells you what style it is so that it is clip art. The other thing that you can do is, of course, with your instructions. So you can go to the AI image designer, create from a prompt, and I'm going to choose a prompt that I already have. So I have a boots on the ground. I think you saw some of that in my other one. I'll show you some that I've created, but I'm going to go ahead and choose the maximum, which is 4. And this is a fairly long prompt, okay? I'm leaving the aspect ratio. It's generating the design. While it's generating the design, I have created some others. And so here's something boots on the ground. And I love this. I wish that the ground was showing. And who knows? I might still use this. Just, I don't know that I would go and sell that because you can't see this whole thing. But there are ways that you can make this your own. So, I mean, it is what it is. But this was created using the clip art feature. Tool use AI Illustrator style clip art. Okay. Boots on the ground. Here again, here's another one. So, same one, same prompt. This is the same prompt, and this just failed to generate. Okay. Here's where I started when I was doing the boots on the ground. And so I've got 4 generations here, and this is with a teal background. Um, and here's another one here. And here's just a clip art with just the boots. And then you can take and put your own verbiage on those boots. Now let's go up to the top here and let us see what it created. And of course, we know we have to do what? Refresh the page. And here we have boots on the ground. Oh, I love that one. I love that one for clip art. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the prompt. Go ahead and screenshot this prompt because you can take that and use that in any image generator. Okay. Now, this is not transparent background. It did not come with the transparent background here, so you will need to make this background transparent. So, how do we do that? Well, in order to make those transparent background, you'll need to take it into another tool to do that. I like to use Canva to do something like that. So you can upload it into Canva and then make it transparent background. Or whatever your product is, you can just make the background of that product that color. So it is white. I'm going to try something here because create from prompt, I'm going to enter this. And instead of saying transparent, I'm going to say white. And I see I spelled empowering wrong. Okay. And so let's go ahead and change that to 4, and then we'll generate that image. Now, what could you do with this? What are your use cases for these things so that you can make money in your business? Because ultimately, that's what it's all about, right? So we can take these and print these out, okay, and put these on your t-shirt. So you can use this for t-shirts, or you can just take it to a print on demand t-shirt company and upload the design into the onto the t-shirt. You can also put these on journals covers. You can also put these on mugs. You can put those on the little tumblers. You can print these out and make stickers out of them. So, a couple different use cases for these so that, oh, I love these. These are just wonderful. But this is with the white background. So, at least now it's white and not, this has, I don't know if you can tell, but this has some sort of like an off whitish, but this is white. So now you can actually just take that without this one doesn't is still a little off white. So you would have to check it to see if you could actually put it on your t-shirt. Um, or if you need to actually remove the background. So, but there you have it. Those are two ways within Artistly and how you can make clip art. It's quick, it's simple, and all you need is your imagination, or maybe not your imagination. Maybe you just use other people's prompts. Right. If you love this, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that follow or that subscribe button for more AI powered tips and creative hacks right here on AI by Design TV. Hey, listen, keep creating, keep exploring, and remember, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.